Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Vitamix is probably one of the most iconic and powerful blenders on the market, renowned for its ability to pulverize anything from tough greens to ice into silky smooth textures, making it an indispensable tool for health enthusiasts, home cooks, and professional chefs alike who demand unparalleled performance and durability from their kitchen appliances, transforming daily meal prep into an effortless and enjoyable experience. Number 5. Vitamix 5200 Professional Grade Blender. Meet your new kitchen powerhouse, the Vitamix 5200. It comes complete with a robust motor base, a 64-ounce classic container, and a tamper, ready for all your blending needs. Equipped with a high-performance 2 HP motor, this countertop blender transforms tough ingredients. Say goodbye to chunky smoothies and hello to perfectly smooth results every time. Its laser-cut, stainless steel blades are built to last, powering through fibrous produce, frozen fruit, and ice with ease. These blades ensure consistent, professional-grade blends for years to come. The BPA-free 64-ounce classic container is engineered to create the signature Vitamix vortex. It's perfect for everything from hot soups to icy smoothies, juices, purees, and sauces. Achieve your desired consistency with its 10 variable speed settings, plus a dedicated high-speed option. This gives you precise control over every blend, from chunky salsa to silky smooth purees. Cleaning is a breeze with its self-cleaning function. Just add warm water and a drop of soap, and it cleans itself in 30 to 60 seconds, no disassembly required. This saves you time and effort, making healthy eating simpler. Designed for reliable performance, it comes with Vitamix's industry-leading 7-year limited warranty. This ensures peace of mind and long-term enjoyment of your professional-grade blender. What we like? This blender boasts a powerful 2 HP motor and variable speed control, allowing for precise texture refinement. If you're a home chef looking for professional-grade performance and versatility for everything from smoothies to hot soups, this is an excellent choice. Its self-cleaning feature also makes it perfect for busy families who prioritize convenience and healthy eating. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source data. Unable to extract 2 to 3 positive points as the source JSON is empty. Number 4. Turelar 1100W Immersion Blender Handheld Set. Experience effortless blending with its robust 1100W full copper motor. It delivers significantly stronger blending and chopping, ensuring velvety smooth results in seconds. Control your recipes with precision using its easy-to-use variable speed trigger. This design allows for quick transitions from low to high speed, reducing splattering and making pureeing, emulsifying, or whipping simple. Its unique food-grade nylon blade guard is designed to minimize suction. This feature prevents scratches on your cookware and keeps splashes contained, ensuring a cleaner kitchen and effortless cleanup. Enjoy maximum comfort with its stylish and ergonomic non-slip grip. This ensures a secure and comfortable hold, even during continuous blending sessions. This set includes multiple attachments like a chopper, whisk, and frother, which detach and swap out with a single click. These make it incredibly versatile for various tasks and easy to clean. It is built for safety, even with hot ingredients, and features reinforced food-grade blades for exceptional sharpness and durability. The breaker and chopper are also 100% BPA-free, ensuring safe use every time. For best results, it can handle ice cubes, but avoid continuous, prolonged use. Please note, it is not recommended for crushing frozen fruits or extremely hard, large ice cubes to ensure its longevity. What we like? This handheld immersion blender offers an impressive 1100W motor for quick and smooth results. If you need a compact, versatile tool for smaller tasks like pureeing soups directly in the pot or making baby food, this is ideal. Its multiple attachments and easy-to-clean design make it a convenient choice for everyday kitchen needs. What people say. No positive reviews found in the provided source. Therefore, no points can be extracted as per instructions. Number 3. Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. It offers 10 variable speeds, allowing you to refine every texture with culinary precision. From the smoothest purees to the heartiest soups, you can achieve perfect results every time. Its pulse feature lets you layer coarse chops over smooth purees. This is perfect for heartier recipes like chunky salsas or thick vegetable soups. The 48-ounce container is perfectly sized for blending medium batches. It's ideal for preparing meals for small families. Equipped with aircraft-grade stainless steel blades, it's designed to handle the toughest ingredients. You'll get consistent, high-quality results from the very first blend to the last. Cleaning is a breeze with this machine. Just add a drop of dish soap and warm water, and it cleans itself in 30 to 60 seconds. It comes complete with a container, lid, tamper, and motor base. You'll also find an owner's manual and an introduction booklet to get you started. What we like. This model features a more compact 48-ounce container, perfect for medium batches and smaller family meals. If you're looking for Vitamix quality in a space-saving design, and appreciate the ability to create both smooth purees and chunky salsas with its pulse feature, this is a great fit. Its variable speed control still offers culinary precision for diverse recipes. What people say. Number 2. Vita Coco Organic Extra Coconut Water. Discover the refreshing taste of Vita Coco Organic Extra Coconut Water. It's packed with natural goodness to keep you feeling great. Craving a true coconut taste? This product delivers an extra, coconutty flavor that's both delicious and satisfying. Replenish your body with its hydrating electrolytes. It's the perfect way to rehydrate after a workout or on a hot day. More than just hydration, it provides vital nutrients your body needs. Enjoy a natural boost with every sip. Each pack contains 12 16.9 fluid ounces servings, ensuring you always have a refreshing drink on hand. Grab yours today and stay refreshed. What we like. This organic coconut water delivers an extra coconutty flavor and essential hydrating electrolytes. If you're looking for a natural, larger-sized beverage to replenish fluids after exercise or as a daily healthy drink, this is an excellent choice. Its vital nutrients make it a great way to stay refreshed and energized. What people say. Number 1. Vita Coco Organic Coconut Water Extra Coconut. Discover the natural goodness of Vita Coco Organic Coconut Water. It's crafted to bring you a truly refreshing experience with every sip. Craving a deeper, more authentic taste? This special blend offers an extra, coconutty flavor that truly stands out. You'll love its vibrant and natural essence. Feeling parched? It's packed with hydrating electrolytes to help replenish your body naturally. This makes it perfect for rehydration after any activity. Beyond just hydration, it also provides vital nutrients your body needs. Enjoy a delicious way to support your overall well-being. Each pack contains 12 11.1 fluid ounces servings, making it easy to stay refreshed throughout your week. Grab one whenever you need a natural boost. What we like. Also featuring an extra coconutty taste, this organic coconut water provides natural hydration. If you prefer a more compact, single-serving size for on-the-go convenience or portion control, this is perfectly suited. It's ideal for quick refreshment or a healthy pick-me-up throughout your day. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.